What if you could build a six-figure business in the next 30 days? Even if you've never sold a thing online? That's what the One Funnel Away Challenge is all about. It's a 30-day crash course led by Russell Brunson and the ClickFunnels team, the same people behind hundreds of seven- and eight-figure launches. Inside, they hand you the blueprint to create an irresistible offer. Build a funnel that actually converts. Drive traffic without blowing your ad budget. And finally, make your online business real. You don't need a big list. You don't need to be a tech wizard. You just need to follow the plan. It's like having million-dollar marketers coaching you, step by step. Tens of thousands have taken the challenge. Many have launched their first profitable funnel by week 2. Want in? Tap the link in the description and claim your spot before it closes. This isn't just another course. It's a transformation that can finally build that business of your dreams. And it might be the smartest $100 you ever invest in yourself that can pay you over and over again.